Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. Thank you. So previous video we have completed all the long problems on calculation of coefficient of skewness. Now in this video I am going to explain you the short problems which may be asked in examination for 2 marks or 4 marks. Simply manipulation of formulae, that's it. Small problems are there. Already I have provided the short answer questions in the link in the printout. You will have all the short answer questions also. I am reading out the problem. If you have the copy, just carefully follow it. First problem, we have 5 bits. In the first problem, we have 5 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first bit I am reading out. Mean is equal to 50, CV is equal to 40, SKP is equal to 0.4. Find standard deviation. So we are given the mean value. Mean is 50, CV, coefficient of variation is 40, SKP 0.4, we have to find out the standard deviation. Now we know the formula of CV, coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation by mean into 100. Standard deviation by mean into 100, this is the formula for CV. CV is given in the problem 40. Standard deviation is given in the problem 0.4. SKP is given 0.4. Standard deviation we don't have, we have to calculate the standard deviation. तो CV के जगह पर 40 लेंगे, standard deviation we have to find out and mean value is 50 into 100. Now take this 100 to LHS या multiplication इधर जाकर division हो जाएगा तो 40 by 100 is 0.4 is equal to standard deviation by 50. Cross multiply करेंगे तो standard deviation is equal to 0.4 into 50, you will get 20 over. This is the short problem which may be asked for 4 marks. So understood this, simply manipulation of the formula. Now second bit. The second bit, from the data given below, calculate coefficient of variation. CV we have to find out. If Pearson's skewness SKP is 0.42, mean is 86, median is 80. So CV we have to find out. SKP, Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness is given 0.42, mean is 86, median is 80. Now see here, by using SKP formula, we can be able to calculate the standard deviation. We can be able to calculate the standard deviation. SKP is equal to 3 into mean minus median. SKP के दो formulas हैं. एक mean minus mode by standard deviation. Another formula SKP is 3 into mean minus median divided by standard deviation. So here we are having the information about mean and median. So that's why we are using the formula 3 into mean minus median by sigma. So SKP is given 0.42. 3 into mean is 86, median is 80. We don't have standard deviation. So we have to find out the standard deviation. So 0.42 is equal to 86 minus 80 is 6. 6 3 is 18. So 18 by standard deviation. Cross multiply कर लीजिए. 18 0.42 into standard deviation is 0.42 sigma is equal to 18. Sigma is equal to 18 divided by 0.42, 42.857. So 42.857 is the sigma we got, but ultimately what we have to calculate? CV, coefficient of variation. So CV is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. Sigma already we know 42.857. Mean is given in the problem 86 into 100. So 49.83 is the CV. Third bit, Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness is 0.64. SKP is 0.64. Mean and mode are 82 and 50. Mean is 82, mode is 50. Find out standard deviation. Sigma we have to find out. So SKP 0.64, mean 82, mode 50. By using this SKP formula, we can find out the standard deviation. Mean minus mode by sigma. Just now I told there are 2 formulas for SKP. One formula 3 into mean minus median by sigma. Another formula mean minus mode by sigma. According to the information given in the problem, we'll apply that formula. In this problem, information is given in mean and mode. That's why we are using this formula. So SKP is given 0.64, mean is 82, mode is 50 divided by sigma. So 82 minus 50 is 32. So 0.64 is equal to 32 by sigma, cross multiply. 0.64 sigma is equal to 32, sigma is equal to 32 by 0.64, 50. Standard deviation 50. Fourth point. For a moderately skewed distribution, arithmetic mean is 85. Mean 85, CV 42, SKP 0.32. Find out the median. So we have to calculate the median here. Arithmetic mean is given 85, CV, coefficient of variation is given 42, SKP is given. By using CV formula, we can be able to calculate the standard deviation. Without standard deviation, we cannot calculate median. तो पहले CV का formula apply करेंगे, sigma by x bar into 100. CV is given in the problem 42. Sigma we don't have, but mean is given in the problem 85 into 100. Take this 100 to LHS, तो 42 by 100 हो जाएगा, is equal to sigma by 85. तो 0.42, 42 by 100 will be 0.42 is equal to sigma by 85. Cross multiply, sigma is equal to 0.42 into 85, 35.7. So we got only sigma, but ultimately we have to find out median. So अब formula apply करेंगे, SKP, because SKP is given in the problem. That's why by using this SKP, I am going to find out median. So SKP is equal to 3 into mean minus median by sigma. SKP 0.32, 3 into mean. Mean value is given in the problem 85. Median we don't have. Sigma just now we have calculated. So 0.32 is equal to 3 into 85. 3 से bracket open कर लेंगे. 3 into 85, 255. 3 into median, 3 median. Now cross multiply. So 0.32 into 35.7, you will get 11.424 is equal to 255 minus 3 median. ये 3 median को LHS पर ला लो, ये minus जाकर इधर 3 median plus हो गया. 255, ये plus 11 जाकर इधर आकर minus 11 हो गया. तो 3 median is equal to 243.576. Median is 243.576 divided by 3. 81.192. ये कौन सा bit? Fourth bit completed. Now fifth bit. Find out Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. SKP we have to find out. Mean value 160. Median is 159. Standard deviation is 50. So SKP how much? Mean 160. Median 159. Standard deviation is 50. Everything is given. Simply SKP का formula apply करेंगे 3 into mean minus median by sigma. So according to the information we are applying the formula. 3 into 159, 3 into 160. 160, mean is 160 minus 159 divided by 50. We'll get 0.06. The first problem, in short answer questions, first problem consists of 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here up to here we have completed problem number 1. Now second problem you see. Given mean is equal to 143, median is 143.05, standard deviation 16.1. So we have written the information. Mean is 143, median is 143.05, standard deviation 16.1. Find out Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. SKP मालूम करना है. तो mean is given, median is given, standard deviation is given. SKP formula will apply. So problem number 2. See the problem number 2. Given mean is 143, median 143.05, standard deviation 16.1, and find out the Carl Pearson's correlation, Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. So mean, median, standard deviation is given. SKP. अब यहाँ mean और median दे दिया, इसीलिए that's why I am applying the formula 3 into mean minus median by sigma, right? 3 mean 143, median 143.05, sigma 16.1. तो सॉल्व कर लेंगे इसको, सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, you will get minus 0.0093 as SKP. Now see the third problem. Problem number 3. Find the coefficient of skewness when mode is 113.3, mean is 110.73 and standard deviation. Straightforward problem. Mean is given, mode is given, standard deviation is given. We have to calculate SKP. SKP mean minus mode by sigma. Mean is given, mode is given, standard deviation is given. So directly SKP minus 0.157. See the fourth problem. From the following information, given below, calculate Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness and also quartile coefficient of skewness. In this problem, you have to calculate both SKP and SKB. Mean is 256.5. You can see here. Mean is 256.5. Median is 201. Standard deviation 215.4. Q3. Third quartile is 260 and first quartile is 157. Right? That's it. So we are given the complete information for calculating SKP as well as SKB. So first we calculate SKP. 3 into mean minus median, because mean and median are given. So 3 into mean minus median by sigma, we got SKP 0.773. And SKB मालूम करने के लिए we require Q3, Q1 and median. So SKB Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. All the values we are having here. Substitute the value in the formula, we'll get SKB 0.146. Fifth problem you see. Problem number 5. Given Q1 is 18. See here, Q1 is 18. Q3 is equal to 25. Mode is 21. Mean is 18. Find out the coefficient of skewness. So in this problem, we are given the mean, mode, SKB. But we don't have the median. क्योंकि SKB मालूम करने के लिए we require the median. We are not given the median. So we calculate the median by using one formula called mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This formula already we have applied in the measure of central tendency. When we have done the problems on measure of central tendency, we have applied this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So here mode is given in the problem 21. Median we are not given. We have to find out. And mean is given in the problem 18. So 21 is equal to 3 median minus 2 into 18, 36. Take this 36 to LHS. So minus 36 will become plus 36. 21 plus 36 is equal to 3 median. 57 is equal to 3 median. Median is equal to 57 by 3, 19. चलिए हमको SKB मालूम करना है, उसके लिए median मालूम कर ली. Once we get the median, we can easily find out the SKB. SKB is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. So we are having all the values. Q3 25, Q1 18, and median just now we have calculated 19. So 0.714 is the SKB. Now see the sixth problem. Calculate Bowlby's coefficient of skewness, then first quartile 30, third quartile 50 and median is 35. Straightforward problem, no confusion. Q1 is given, Q3 is given, median is given. So Q1 30, Q3 50, median 35. Substitute कर दीजिए SKB 0.5. Next, seventh problem you see. Find coefficient of skewness if difference between two quartile Q3 minus Q1 is 8 and sum of two quartile Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 22 and median is 10.5. So here in this problem, the difference between two quartiles Q3 minus Q1 is given 8. And the sum of the two quartiles Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 22 and median is given 10.5. What we have to calculate is SKB. So SKB का formula Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 plus Q1 already given in the problem 22 minus 2 into median. Median is given 10.5 and Q3 minus Q1 is given as 8. So substitute here, you will get 0.125. This is the SKB value. So 7 problems we have completed. Eighth problem. Short problems we were doing. 7 short problems we have completed. Now 8th short problem you see. Compute quartile deviation. Quartile deviation means QD. The formula for QD is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. This we have done in the chapter dispersion. And coefficient of skewness. So we have to calculate QD as well as coefficient of skewness from the following values. Median is 18.8. You can see QD we have to find out. SKB we have to calculate. Median is given 18.8 and Q1 is 14.6 and Q3 is 25.2. This is the information given. And we have to calculate QD and SKB. QD formula just now I told you Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 25.2 minus 14.6 divided by 2, 5.3 you will get QD, quartile deviation. Now SKB Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. All the values you have here, substitute, you will get 0.245 as SKB. This is 8th problem. See the 9th problem. From the following information given, calculate Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness, SKP we have to find out. And also quartile coefficient of skewness, that is SKB. So we have to calculate SKP as well as SKB. What information is given? Mean is 240.8. Median is 201.6. Then standard deviation is 181.1. Q3 upper quartile 242 and lower quartile 164.2. This is the information given: mean, median, standard deviation, Q3, Q1, and we have to calculate SKP and SKB. Now see here. First we apply the formula of SKP to find out the median, to find out the SKP. So 3 into mean minus median divided by standard deviation. Mean is given, median is given, standard deviation is given. All the 3 is given, so we can easily find out SKP. Substitute the values, we got SKP. And SKB. SKB के लिए भी हमको हमारे पास Q1 है, Q3 है, median है. Everything is given. Simply we have to substitute all the values in the given problem. Formula, we'll get SKB. 10th problem. For a given distribution, Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness is 0.615. 0.615. Its standard deviation is 13 given. Mean is 175. Find the mode of the distribution. So from this information you have to find out the mode. So mode के लिए SKP formula mean minus mode by sigma. SKP is given 0.615. Mean is given 175. Mode we don't have, but standard deviation is given 13. Now simply if you cross multiply 0.615 into 13, you will get 7.995 is equal to 175 minus mode. Take the mode to the LHS. The minus mode will become plus mode, and take this 7.995 to RHS, it will become minus. This plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. So mode is equal to 167.005, equivalent to 167. It's very near to 167, so we can take it 167. 11th problem. Find the value of standard deviation. Standard deviation we have to find out. Mean is 46.83, mode is 51.67, and coefficient of skewness SKP is minus 0.327. So from this information we have to find out the standard deviation. We already know the formula of SKP. SKP is equal to mean minus mode by standard deviation. अगर ये formula SKP का डालेंगे तो unknown variable standard deviation we can be able to find out. SKP is equal to mean minus mode by sigma. SKP is given. Mean is given. Mode we have to find out. No, mode is given. Standard deviation we have to find out. So minus 0.327 is equal to 46.83 minus 51.67. You will get minus 4.84 divided by sigma. Cross multiply करिए. Minus 0.327 into sigma is minus 0.32 sigma is equal to minus 484 into 1 minus 4.84. Minus is there on LHS, minus is there on RHS. It will get cancelled. So 0.327 sigma is equal to 4.84. Sigma is equal to 4.84 divided by 0.327. So sigma ultimately will get 14.8. 11th problem completed. 12th problem you see. Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness of a distribution is 0.65. SKP is given 0.65. Its standard deviation is 181.1 given. Mean is 240 given. Find mode and median. It is asking you to calculate the mode and median. अब देखिए SKP के फॉर्मूले से मोड मालूम कर ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज SKP में स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन दे दिया, मीन दे दिया. तो SKP is equal to mean minus mode by sigma. SKP is given 0.65, mean is given 240, mode we are not given, we'll find out, and standard deviation is given 181.1. Cross multiply अगर करेंगे 0.65 into 181.1, you will get 117.715 is equal to 240 minus mode. Take the mode to LHS and bring this 117 to RHS. So your minus mode will become plus mode, then minus plus 117 will become minus 117. So mode is equal to 122.285. So mode we got. Now we need median. Median का एक formula है. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. There is a relationship Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So mode just now we have calculated. Median we have to find out. Mean is given in the problem 240. So 122.285 is equal to 3 median minus 2 into 240 is 480. Right? Bring this 480 to LHS. So minus 480 will become plus 480. 122.285 plus 480 is equal to 3 median. ये दोनों को ऐड करो 602.285 is equal to 3 median. Median is equal to 602.285 divided by 3. Median 200.76. 13th problem. Find the coefficient of variation. CV we have to find out. Given that its mean is 100, mode is 102, and SKP is 0.4. So three values are given: mean, mode, SKP. But we don't have standard deviation. For calculating CV, we need standard deviation. So by using the SKP formula, we find out the standard deviation. Once we get the standard deviation, we can find out the CV. So SKP is equal to mean minus mode by sigma. SKP is given 0.4, mean is given 100, mode is given 102. Standard deviation is unknown. We have to find out. So 0.4 is equal to 100 minus 102 minus 2 divided by sigma. Cross multiply करेंगे तो 0.4 sigma is equal to minus 2. Sigma is equal to minus 2 divided by 0.4. You will get minus 5. But one point is there. Standard deviation always will be positive. It will never be negative. So there is inconsistent data given. ये data जो दिया है, ये data consistent नहीं है. That's why we are getting standard deviation minus 5. तो error in the given data, since standard deviation cannot be negative. ये data में error है. That's why we are getting a negative standard deviation. So we cannot get the right solution when the problem is incorrect. So there is a proverb: garbage in, garbage out. If you give correct to problem, the answer will also be correct. If there is inconsistency in the problem, then the answer will not be correct. Now 14th problem. In a distribution, mean is 65, median is 70. Mean is 65, median is 70. And coefficient of skewness is minus 0.6. Find mode and CV. Mode मालूम करना है, CV मालूम. तो first of all, mode मालूम करने के लिए we are given SKP. ये SKP का फॉर्मूला यूज करके we can easily find out the mode. पहले SKP अप्लाई करके mean और median है तो standard deviation we can easily calculate. Standard deviation we can calculate because mean and median is given. SKP is equal to 3 into mean minus median by sigma. SKP is minus 0.6 is equal to 3 into mean 65, median 70. So 65 minus 70 minus 5. Minus 5 into 3 minus 15. So minus 0.6 is equal to minus 15 by sigma, cross multiply. Minus 0.6 sigma is equal to minus 15. Minus minus will get cancelled. So 0.6 sigma is equal to 15, sigma is equal to 15 by 0.6, 25. So we got standard deviation. After getting standard deviation, we can find out the mode. So SKP minus 0.6, mean 65, mode we don't have, we have to calculate. Standard deviation just now we got 25. Cross multiply कर लेंगे. Minus 0.6 into 25, you get minus 15. 65 minus mode. Take this mode to LHS and bring this 15 to RHS. So your minus mode will become plus mode, minus 15 will become plus 15. So mode is equal to 80. One answer we got, mode 80. Now CV is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. Sigma just now we have calculated 25. Standard deviation 25. And mean is given in the problem 65 into 100. 38.46 is the CV. This is 14th problem. Now we'll come to the 15th problem. In a distribution, the difference of two quartiles is 15. Difference in two quartiles means Q3 minus Q1. This difference is 15. And the sum is 35. Sum का मतलब addition. Q3 plus Q1 is 35. And the median is 20. Find the coefficient of skewness. Q3 minus Q1, difference 15. Q3 plus Q1, sum 35, median 20. Find out SKB. SKB is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. Q3 plus Q1 is given as 35. Q3 plus Q1 is 35 minus 2 median. Divided by Q3 minus Q1 is 15. Denominator 15. So ultimately SKB is minus 0.33. last and final problem, that is 16th one. This 16th is the last short answer question. In a frequency distribution, the interquartile range is 40. The wordings. Interquartile range is nothing but Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 इसको interquartile range कहते हैं. Semi interquartile range का मतलब Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. तो ये वर्ड्स याद रखिए, सेमी इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज एंड इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज. ओनली इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज दिया तो Q3 minus Q1. सेमी इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज अगर देगा तो Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. This is nothing but quartile deviation, right? So in our problem, interquartile range is given 40, that is Q3 minus Q1. Median is 32 and coefficient of skewness calculated by Bowley is 0.5. So Bowley SKB is given 0.5. Find the two quartiles. Q1 और Q3 अलग अलग मालूम करना है. तो interquartile range, that is Q3 minus Q1 is given 40. Median is given 32. SKB is given 0.5. And we have to find out Q3 and Q1. So we know the formula of SKB. SKB is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. अब Q3 plus Q1 we don't have. SKB is given in the problem 0.5. Q3 plus Q1 we don't have. Minus 2 into median. Median is given in the problem. Median is given in the problem 32. Divided by Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 is given in the problem 40. तो Q3 minus Q1 के प्लेस में 40. Q3 plus Q1 नहीं है, ये मालूम करना है हमको. 0.5 is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 into 32 is 64 divided by 40. Now if you make a cross multiplication, 20 into 0.5 is 20. 40 into 0.5, sorry. 40 into 0.5 is 20 is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 64. Now bring this 64 to LHS. It will become minus, will become plus. So 20 plus 64 is equal to Q3 plus Q1. So Q3 plus Q1 is 84. 64 plus 20, 84. Now we got Q3 plus Q1 84. And Q3 minus Q1 is 40. We simultaneous equation, we can cancel. Plus Q1 minus Q1 will get cancelled. Plus Q1 minus Q1 will get cancelled. Now Q3 plus Q3 will be 2Q3 is equal to 84 plus 40, 124. So 2Q3 is equal to 84. Q3 is equal to 124 divided by 2 is 62. So Q3 का value आ गया 62. Now we can substitute the value of Q3 in any one of the equation. कोई भी दो इक्वेशन है हमारे पास, एक Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 40 है और Q3 plus Q1 is equal to 84 है. दो में से कोई भी एक इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे वैल्यू ऑफ Q3. चलिए Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 40 एक इक्वेशन है. अब इसमें Q3 का वैल्यू जस्ट नाउ वी गॉट 62 minus Q1 is equal to 40. तो bring this 40 to LHS and take this Q1 to RHS. So minus will become plus, plus will become minus. 62 minus 40 is 22. So Q1 is equal to 22. It is asking you to find out the two quartiles, Q1 and Q3. We got the quartiles, Q1 22 and Q3 62. That's all. So in this video, we have completed the short problems. So in the last 2-3 videos, what we are discussing is the meaning concept of skewness. What are the different measures of calculating the skewness? Then we have started the problems. The problems, starting long problems we have done on different types of series, individual series, discrete series, continuous series for calculating SKP. Then in these videos we have done calculating a measure of skewness according to Bowley, which is dependent on quartiles and median. So after listening, after watching these videos, I think you got full confidence in learning how to calculate the measure of skewness according to Pearson and according to Bowley. And lastly, 16 problems I have selected as short answer questions to have a perfection on short problems in examination. Apart from long problems, short problems may be asked. So work out these problems by yourself, then you will get more and more knowledge, more and more confidence. So one more chapter is left, that is correlation analysis. In the next video, we'll start the topic of correlation analysis.